In this section, we are going to cover function transformations. Let's look at the objectives for this section. In this section, we are going to learn how to vertically shift given a function or a graph, horizontally shift given a function or a graph, reflect graphs given a function or a graph, vertically stretch and shrink or compress and expand given a function or a graph, and horizontal stretching and shrinking or compression and expansion given a function or graph. So we will be doing lots of graphing, and we will be looking at a lot of different functions and then looking at how to transform them. In the space below, take a moment to think of a function you know how to sketch and list it here. Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can finish the first page of this handout. Welcome back. After you have identified this function, sketch the shape of this graph, given at least 7 points close to the origin. I decided to go with f of x equals the square root of x. That's a function. I'm going to put an input of 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and 36. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The square root of 0 is 0, the square root of 1 is 1, the square root of 4 is 2, the square root of 9 is 3, the square root of 16 is 4, the square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of 36 is 6. If I sketch this, at 0, I'm at 0. At 1, I'm at 1. At 2, 3, 4, I'm at 2. At 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm at 3. At 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, I'm at 4. And I might run out of room, but you get the idea. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, I am at 5. So the shape of the square root of x is something like this. Let's take a look at the question below. It says, finally determine what you would need to change about the function to make it shift down 10 units. What would happen to all your points? If you shifted this function down 10 units, 0 would now be at negative 10. 1 would be at negative 9. 4 would be at negative 8, and so on and so forth. So the shape of the graph would remain the same, but it would be shifted down 10 units.